I think we can all agree that lately we've been stressed and anxious, and we often need some kind of outlet to help us kind of calm ourselves down. Sometimes we get ourselves so worked up and we just need some way to refocus and regroup. So what I've been trying lately during this time is doing a little bit of meditation where I focus on the breath. So we're going to give that a try today and see if it'll work for you. So what you'll need to do is get yourself into a nice calm and quiet room where you can sit for a few minutes. You want to turn off any devices that would be of a distraction to you and focus on you. Give yourself a few minutes to focus on what your body needs. So we're going to go ahead and get ourselves in a seated position. You can sit on the floor, you can sit in any chair, anywhere that it's going to be comfortable for you. For me, when I'm home, I like to sit on a meditation cushion and then stay in a nice quiet room. If I'm out somewhere and I need to refocus, I simply just sit down wherever I'm at and just start that meditation and breathing. So get yourself in that seated position wherever you're sitting. Make sure that you're at least sitting up straight. Place your hands on your knees with the palms facing down. Close your eyes here if you would like to, but it's not necessary. And then let's start to focus on the breath. I want you to breathe slowly in through the nose. As you breathe in, I want you to notice your lungs filling up and your stomach going out. Hold it there for a second, and now breathe out through the mouth. Slowly. On the next breath in, we're going to hold it for 3. Counting in 3, holding it for 2, and then letting it out for 4. So breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold for 2, 1, 2, breathe out, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now find your own rhythm, continuing to breathe in and out. And if you still need to count, 3 breaths in, hold for 2, 4 breaths out, count in your head or count aloud, whatever works for you. Let's go. You can continue this practice for a minute or for as long as you feel that you need to in order to kind of get yourself back, regroup. When you're done, make sure to say thank you to yourself for giving yourself this experience. You can practice this anytime or do this anytime that you need to. So whenever you feel that you need to regroup or you've got that stress or anxiety that's just building up, just stop what you're doing, come back and focus on the breath. Meditation and focusing on the breath is great for the body, mind, and soul. So keep practicing it. Your body, mind, and soul will thank you.